Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pompey and today I'm going to play Wobbly Life, and from today I will start a series where I do all of the jobs in Wobbly Life. And the first job I will do is the newspaper job. I will do 3 jobs every video. So let's start. I think I can reach that. Hopefully I can. There. I'm quite bad at aiming these newspapers. But I can still hit some. Oh, I got it. Now I have to get this one. Okay, this one's hard. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, I did. Now I have to get this one. Then that one. That. This. Grandma's house. Then this red house. Another red house. That one. Okay. Second last. And that's the last one over there. Hopefully I hit it. I got it. Yay. Now we can move on to the next. Now we can move on to the next job. I just need to claim this. Okay, so the next job I'm going to do is the pizza job. The pizza delivery job. I don't really do this job often, but I can try finishing it. Oh no, it's 2 pizzas. So I have to deliver these 2 pizzas all the way here to I have to deliver the pizzas all the way to the flag. Hopefully I can make it in time. Where is it? Okay, it's just over there at the train station. Hopefully the pizza doesn't fly. If I hit something, it might fly. So I'll not risk anything. Okay, I just hit something. Okay, this is the place. Oh, a woman. Hello, woman. Here's your pizza. Thank you for the $40. And now let's move on to the next. For my next and final job for today, the burger job. Okay, now I have to make some burgers. I took it. It's a deluxe burger since it has everything on it. There you go. Tomato, whatever. Lettuce. Hopefully I finish this. And then cheese. Now open this up. And then I'll just prep another more buns here. And then I'll grab the burger and serve it There you go. What's the next one? Okay, not that bad. All it doesn't have is cheese, and that's all it doesn't have. There you go. Make it. I'll get the next buns ready. I think I just yeeted a bun. Okay, second order done. What's my next order? Okay, a double meat and double cheese. Oh, there's already double cheese here. Okay, done. Now I'll have to prep the buns again. Oh my god, I'm glitching. Next one. Okay, casual. Get out of here, bun. Okay. Now I'll prep the buns again. This is my second last order. Okay, I got it. That's my last order. Okay. Pretty basic and easy. My last order. Give me your buns. Oh, oops. Okay, order is ready. Now time to serve. Yay! Here. Okay. So that's all for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot and I appreciate it. Bye, guys.